Hi friends, welcome to our Android development course. I am your friend Geetika and today we are going to build our first UI screen using something new and super powerful called Jetpack Compose. Now you might be thinking what's XML, what's Java? Well, in the new Android Studio version, XML layouts and Java are not the default anymore. Instead, we use Kotlin plus Jetpack Compose. It's cleaner, faster and honestly much more fun. Earlier in Android development, we had to write designs separately in XML files and logic in Kotlin or your Java files. Now, what we do in the Jetpack Composes, we can do everything in just one Kotlin file, both UI and logic. So we don't need two separate files for doing the logical part and the UI part. Okay, so think of it like this: if XML was like baking a cake from two separate boxes, Compose is like all-in-one cake mix. Just pour, bake, and it works. So I hope you got the idea. Now let's go to our Android Studio and I'll show you the difference. Now when you create a new project in Android Studio now, you just have to choose the empty activity. It will automatically set up all the compose stuff for you. So if you remember in the last video we created one project named Hello Android, so I'll just reopen that. So here's our project. So if you remember, this is the main activity.kt and you just have to open this file, okay, and you will see something written like this there, this part. So this set content is where we write all our UI instead of XML, okay, this part. Okay, so I'll now explain you about this part. So this component activity is a base class for activities that use Jetpack Compose, and this on create is where we start building our UI. Okay, this enable edge to edge, this line is optional. It just allows our app to use the full screen space even behind the system bars. Okay, so next is this set content code. So set content is where Jetpack Compose UI starts. This Hello Android theme applies to our app's color and typography. This scanfold is, it's like a layout that gives us structure like the header, the body, bottom nav, etc. Okay. So now we have this modifier dot fill max size. This basically takes the full screen. That what it means. Next is our internal padding. So what is this inner padding? This keeps padding from the system bars like the status bar. So now comes this part. So don't get confused at all. I'm just explaining you what all things are written here and what they mean. I am just giving you a brief idea about everything. We'll learn everything step by step from our next video. In this video I'll just brief you about everything, okay, so don't get confused at all. So let's talk about this part. So now here's the magic. This greeting function is a composable, meaning it builds a piece of UI. So simple analogy is think of a composable like a small Lego block. You can reuse it and combine it to make your app screen. Now we are using the text composable to show this Hello Geetika. Okay, even though the parameter is name, we are manually showing Hello Geetika. We change this in the next video. Okay, we'll change it. So now let's go with this part. So this is just for us to preview the UI inside the Android Studio without running the app on emulator or phone. So quickly recap what we learned today. So new Android Studio versions use Jetpack Compose. No need of XML files. Set content is where your UI starts. We created our first screen using composable function. We displayed a simple name, Hello Geetika. You can use your name or a message using this text. Okay, so in next video We'll take this to the next level. We'll show you how to use text field, let the user type their name and update the message dynamically. If user types is Rahul, text says hello Rahul, cool na? So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Android videos. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, बाय बाय.